Hello wallet warriors, welcome back to the channel, and if today is your first time, you're welcome. This is Robust Wallet, where we make money talk very easy and highly relatable. So in today's video, I'll be discussing how to invest in yourself as a beginner before 2025. In my own opinion, over the years, I have known and believed that the most valuable investment is you. Yes, you. Because when you invest in yourself, the return lasts a lifetime, which will be fueling both your personal growth and even financial success. So if you are eager to start before 2025, here are the 6 game-changing strategies that can help you become the best version of yourself. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1 is upskill or reskill. In today's rapid evolving world, staying relevant means continuous learning, whether mastering new technology, acquiring leadership skills, exploring any creative field, anyone you choose to do. All I know is ongoing education is a must. And you know Robust Wallet does not leave you in the dark at all. I'm going to give you all the details that you need in order to achieve this particular point. So take for example, platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn learning platforms offers a lot of courses. Sometimes they are not free, but sometimes they are also doable, because when something is highly important to you, you will make room for them. And all these platforms actually offers in-demand courses like coding, video editing course, public speaking, digital marketing, and whatsoever you feel you want to develop yourself on. I learned something recently through one of my online courses, that you don't really have to spend hours learning all these things to achieve your goal. Take for example, if you do like 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, just make sure that you are consistent with it, and before you know it, in the next 1 week or 2 weeks, depending on the period of the course, and you will find out that you have already acquired that skill, which will definitely open doors of opportunities for you. So what I've also realized recently is that lifelong learning isn't optional anymore. It is actually now a ticket to staying competitive and adaptable, so to say. The number 2 strategy is to adopt a growth mindset. It is often said that our mindset shapes our realities, which is very true, because I have experienced this over and over again in the past 2 years, and I say that there are some mindset that that actually kept me from achieving some goals in the past. Not anymore though. I have outgrown that. And what I've realized is that adopting a growth mindset can actually unlock some hidden potentials in you. And this means embracing challenges, also seeing failure as a learning opportunities, and focusing on progress instead of perfection. This thing held me captive for a long time, because I'm literally like a perfectionist. I want everything around me to look dope, to look like there is no error, no blemish. But I discovered recently that this will only keep anybody in one spot. So now what I've learned is that I would rather prioritize progress over any form of perfection. And to get started, you can actually leverage on the books that has been written on mindset. The one I've actually used that helped me, number 1 is Mindset by Carol Dweck. Okay, the second one is Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book has my heart. I've read it over and over again. I think it's more than 6 times that I've read the book, because it consistently works on my mindset. There are some doubts that we have, or some insecurities that we have growing up. So this book has actually helped me to shape them down. Then also, I am a believer, and I work with this Bible verse that says, I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. So with all those things, trying to say that over and over again, read the books, practice everything that was said in the book, majorly those ones that resonate with what you're dealing with, and you will see a lot of growth in your mindset. You can also Google or ask anyone who has gone through this before to recommend other books for you. They will really help. And the benefit of all the growth mindset or the books I recommend that you read is that it empowers you to face challenges with confidence and so much resilience. So number 3 strategy is to build your network. It's often said that your network is your net worth, right? Honestly, building meaningful connections can open the doors of opportunities you can never find on your own. You can use platforms like LinkedIn if you are a professional majorly, and if you are a business owner, you can go for events, you can go for anything that will maybe like a collaborative meetings that will make you be in the faces of people you genuinely need in your network. However, here is the thing. Meeting people does not really mean that you have a good network. You have to invest in their lives. I mean, invest in them by nurturing the relationship. It is not when you need them, you will now be calling them. No, this has to be like you are intentional about the strategic relationship that you have in your life. You will not wait till you probably need something before you reach out to people. Invest your time, invest your knowledge, invest your friendship, invest anything you feel will add value to the person's life, and they will definitely, if you are like minds, and they will be able to contribute the same amount of time or value into your life. And from there, like, you can call each other anytime, any day you now need help, but you've already nurtured and seriously contributed to their lives in one way or the other. And honestly, if you do this judiciously, it will open doors for mentorship, for collaboration, and also for career advancements. Here is the trick. Always think about your network as a garden. You never know which seed will grow into a life-changing opportunity. So the fourth strategy is prioritize your health. We all know that health is wealth, they say. For me, I put it as your health is the foundation of every other thing you want to achieve in life. We all know that without physical and mental well-being, it is very hard to perform at your best. To achieve this, you can literally incorporate like 10 minutes workout or 30 minutes workout in a day. It depends on what your strength can carry, because when you're just starting out, you don't just go for 1 hour or 2 hours, you might break down. So just start small and increase your capacity as the time goes by. So apps like Headspace and Calm are excellent tools, in reducing stress and improving your focus. You might want to download them and see how it goes. Always remember that a healthy body will fuel a productive mind, and that is quite essential for achieving your goals. So number 5 strategy is to build a personal brand, and this helps you stand out from the crowd. We all know that in this digital age, your personal brand is your reputation. A strong online presence showcases your value, your expertise, and passion, and these actually help you stand out in your field. And the way to go about it is to define what makes you unique and communicate it across all platforms. By sharing valuable content that aligns with your goals, you position yourself as a credible, trustworthy professional even before meeting potential collaborators or employers. Number 6 strategy is to master financial education. Know your money. And that is why Robust Wallet is here to put you through in any way you are confused and suggest some other platforms you can also learn better, or the kind of books you can read, to make sure that your financial education is sound. Honestly, financial education at this point is non-negotiable. Understanding your money gives you room to avoid, unnecessary debt, and also helps you to make informed decisions. And finally, grow your wealth. The interesting part is apps like Mint or You Need a Budget can help you track your expenses, you can help you save as well, and eventually manage your financial goals. And then books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey breaks down money management into simple, actionable steps. When you control your finances, you actually empower yourself to pursue any opportunity fearlessly. If you have gained any value from what I've shared today, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be one of the first people to get another gem that is coming next week. Do not miss out. Until next time, stay sound, I care.